what's up, everyone? I have a heart that is just ready to explode because I'm so excited that my family is in town. My familia is here, and we are getting ready to have a pajama party! Pajama party! You guys obviously know, if you're a real fan, no, I'm just kidding. No, if you know my sister, this is my sister Claudette.
Hey.
And these are my nieces. This is Jet Marie and Bo Harper.
Hey.
Say hey, what's up?
Hey, what's up?
I teach her all the craziest things. Like when Jet was little, remember I would be like, hey girl, hey girlfriend, and Jet would actually say it, right? If you don't want to do something, if somebody's like, hey, do you want to drink frog juice? What do you say?
Nah, fam.
Nah, fam. And literally one day she told me, I kept telling her, say, nah, fam. And she was like, titi. That's what they call me. They call me titi, which is like aunt in Spanish. And they're like, titi, I don't want to say that too much because then I think I'll forget how to say no thank you.
That's right.
She is the manner, like, patrol. And this right here is my spirit animal.
Her twin.
And my twin, you guys, I looked exactly like this as a kid. My personality was exactly like hers.
Yes.
So if you see she's not having it, it's because she's gonna grow up to be just like me.
Exactly.
So prepare yourselves. I have such a close-knit family, and I love, love, love. You guys, catch on.
Okay.
Love, 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 all at the same time. 1, 2, 3.
Love, love, love.
I love, love, love my family, and we're pretty much obsessed with each other. I'm so grateful that my mom raised my sister and I so close. I know a lot of people talk about, what is that called when siblings don't, sibling rivalry?
Oh, yeah.
We have never experienced that. We don't understand it because I'm so grateful my mom taught us that at the end of the day, all we have is each other. She's my only sister. We grew up, we're only 3 years apart. The girls are 2 years apart. And pretty much my goal in life is also to have 2 daughters and raise them just like this.
And it's the only person, and I tell you this all the time, Jet, Bo is the only person that's gonna know you from, I mean, the time that, you know, this little, and you've had the same experiences.
Yeah.
And no one will ever love you the way your sister loves you.
Your sister is your best
Even though
friend.
she just kicked her in the face right now.
What's so fun about this is that, Claude, I know you understand this as a
Yes.
parent. A lot of young girls want to start having pajama parties because they see them on television or even sleepovers. But if your kid is not in an age yet where you feel comfortable letting them sleep over someone else's house,
Exactly.
you're not having it.
Nope.
No.
Not yet.
She's like, not yet. Then you can have like a daytime pajama party. And it's also something fun to do on the weekends with your kids, whether it's a Saturday.
It's really nice quality time. I think that as a mom, it can be kind of hard to get out and about and do all this fun, you know,
Girly stuff.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun.
And I feel like growing up, we spent a lot of time at home, and sometimes kids
Yes.
now, they expect like an event to happen to spend quality time together, and some of it can just be as simple as putting on your PJs and doing really cool stuff. Are you ready? You guys ready to have this pajama party?
Yeah!
Woohoo! Show me some excitement, Bowie. Show me.
Really?
Well, Bo's already getting started, but some of the fun stuff we're about to do is create our own popcorn sundaes. It's a build your own situation. You've got popcorn, you wanna show them how to do it, Bo?
Come on, let's see.
Okay, so you're gonna take your own waffle cones, which is so cute.
This is
You wanna
actually
pass
really
around?
fun.
Yep, like that. You wanna pass around the waffle cone?
Yeah, like that.
Can I get one too, Bowie? I mean, Jet?
Oh, of course.
Bo, can I get a waffle cone?
Waffle cone.
Yeah, can I get one?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. You wanna give one to mommy?
Thank you, baby.
So some of the things that we have actually in our Build-A-Bar for our popcorn sundae are gummies, we've got jelly beans, we've got chocolate-covered raisins, and chocolate-covered almonds, which are my fave. Cheers! We're cheersing with our cones.
Yeah,
I
the
didn't even
girls
fill
already
mine
got
up yet.
started.
Can you fill mine up for me? You want me to hold yours? You're gonna fill this one up for me? Oh my gosh, this is literally an
Okay,
entire
Mama.
thing of jelly beans.
Do one for Mama. Yeah.
I'm gonna add a little
This
more
is too many.
popcorn to mine over here. But this is something super fun to do, and it's super simple, right, Club?
I love it. And this is actually, it's kind of time, which is great. You kind of want to fill the time. And it actually, they can stay here for a good 15 to 20 minutes and just kind of spend time and while you and your buddy chat.
Oh my gosh. I never thought that gummy bears and popcorn tasted good together.
Titi likes weird things though, together.
Now that we've been eating our amazing popcorn sundaes, Jet was getting thirsty, so she's already gotten started. We've got some sparkling pink lemonade to share with our girls. But They just like to drink this kind of stuff because it makes them feel fancy.
Yeah, a little bubbly.
A little bubbly.
So it's pink lemonade with some seltzer or any
Love
type
it.
of juice.
Yeah, you can either make it at home yourself,
Yes.
where you actually mix some seltzer water, some sparkling water, and some lemonade. You guys ready to cheers?
All right, ching ching,
Here you
ladies.
go.
Come on. Oh,
Well, you want the whole bottle?
Sure.
Well, stop hogging up all the lemonade.
Little Adrienne.
Give
Little
some,
Adrienne.
give some to Jet. Cheers!
Ching ching.
Okay, the girls say ching ching. They've been doing it since they were little.
Yeah.
All the time when we go out as a family. There you go. When we go out as a family, we're always cheersing to good life, good health,
Exactly.
happiness, and just being able to be together.
And enjoying the moment.
That's the kinds of things Latinos do. We create words out of the sounds that it sounds like. This becomes
true.
ching ching. Since we're having a pink and very girly day, we figured it'd also be fun to play with hair and makeup. So we've got some fun little makeup here for the
Your
girls.
mama's here?
Ladies, warning. Use your good stuff.
Yeah, don't.
Use the stuff that they can kind of mess up and have fun with.
Yes.
And that
I even
won't
go
be
to
"No!"
the 99-cent store has brushes, and I'm so serious.
Little
I
makeup
stock up on those, or even when you go to like Sephora or something, you know those little mascara samples?
Oh, the
They
samples.
love that, and they think something's on it.
Yeah.
And they just have at it.
And the cute thing also. So let's get started. Who wants to start with what? You're doing mommy's
You're
hair?
gonna do mama's hair?
You're doing my makeup.
All right, come.
Here we go.
Do you want mama to stand?
Supplies.
Right now we are using red lipstick and we are going to today.
Okay, so tell me what happened today.
Ooh, that lipstick looks good on you.
Good job.
Ooh, you're looking good.
Now what are we gonna do? What's the next step in your makeup tutorial? You gotta raise him young. Oh, what a beautiful job you're doing.
I love it.
Are you excited about your work?
Oh, thank you, baby.
Ooh,
That's beautiful.
So whenever I don't know if this is gonna sound crazy, but anytime I need a downtime, I literally will sit in front of the mirror and just let them have at it.
I love it.
It is relaxing for me, although I'll probably end up looking a little, but it's all good because it's quality time with my girls. And the TV shut off, there's nothing, it's just one-to-one, and they tell me about their day. This is something we actually do a lot. I've probably posted 1,000 times where the girls are doing my makeup, and it's relaxing, it's fun, and again, they're actually very chatty.
Your hair
when
doesn't look like little shy.
my hair's gonna look like Fluttershy. Thank you. And they tell me about their day, and they're just chatting, and it's kind of a fun bonding time. So they love this. She can spend quite a good 30 minutes just brushing my hair, and I don't mind it at all.
I just got an updated lip color. Jet is concentrating very hard on this beautiful lip color. That looks so pretty on you. Do you want to use mirror? Look.
Ooh, it does.
Yeah. Oh my God. Looking at my final look, Jet, you did an incredible job. Thank you so much. And we have matching lipstick. Mwah. Mwah. Now that we've had some fun snacks, our pink lemonade, and my hair and makeup has been done, thank you very much, it's time to have a fiesta! What else is it fun to do at a party? To do what?
To do what?
Yay! Dance party begins now! Wave them in the air like this. Jump, 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 arms up, jump, jump,
Jump.
jump.
Yeah, a lot of jumping.
Show me how to do this. What's this thing?
The one. What's that?
You know how to do it? Show us how to do it. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Go Jay, go Jay, go Jay, go Bo, go Bo, go Bo. Woo! Another really fun thing to do with your kids, right, Claude, is we do like little fake spa days, whether it be pedicures and those kinds of things. And kids love bath bombs. So I went to Lush and I got them the coolest ones. You guys are not ready for this. It is unicorn bath bombs that actually have like glitter, and they're so much fun. We're gonna show you how we set it up, but you're not gonna see us get in the bath. 1, 2, 3, drop it. Ah!
Oh, look, look, it's working.
Ooh, it's working. Yeah. So remember downstairs when I said we weren't getting in? Titi lied. My bad. Bubble party! I love nothing more than spending time with my family. This was so much fun, right, you guys? And the party is just gonna keep going. They're with me for a while, and I'm not letting them go home. So, let me know what you do with your family and your kids just to have a fun time at home. Let me know in the comments below, and
don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe, people. Don't forget to subscribe.
Adios.